If you're experiencing login issues with Varo Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct email address and password. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not on. Step 3. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Varo Bank app installed. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in, reach out to Varo Bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Varo Bank. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.